Various microorganisms are symbiotic on our skin together. However, the effects on human skin are not yet well known to the public. Would the microorganism on our skin play a good function? In fact, the microbes on the skin are playing an important role in protecting us from external harmful factors. It also turns out that certain microorganisms are deeply related to anti-aging effect. Cosmax has long been researching microorganisms that are beneficial to the human skin and was able to exclusively discover the world's first skin microbiome directly related to anti-aging and named it Strain CX. Products using the Strain CX are at the early stage of commercialization into the market starting from last year. From now on, we would like to introduce the technology behind the Strain CX and some of the possible formulation options in detail.
My name is Soo-kyung Jung. I'm a researcher from Material Lab under Cosmax Headquarters Research and Innovation Center. It is a pleasure to get a chance to present our beloved Strain CX to you all today. To begin with, I would like to kick off my section with brief introduction of our lab. Compared to our regular lab, where chemists formulate lab samples for immediate commercialization, in Material Lab, our focus is more on the roots technology, or you could also say ingredient level research. Though ingredient level study takes a lot of time and effort to be fruitful, Cosmax firmly believes that investment into basic technology is what makes us as we are today. In fact, the skin microbiome is one of the key results from these long-term foundational research dedication. It has been 10 years since Cosmax started our own research into microbiome, 3 years since specific technology shaped out the Strain CX. Besides Strain CX, Material Lab is currently focusing on NGS technology and establishing platform based on NGS analysis data. I hope we get another chance for also introducing these technologies in the future. But for now, let us get dived into the world of microbiome, shall we? The term microbiome encompasses the community of microorganisms and their ecosystem. To be specific, the skin microbiome that we are all interested in refers to the aggregate of all microbiota that reside on or within the human body. Microbiome has various functions throughout our body, especially our skin, acting as some sort of personal skin health trainer. It guides our skin to be healthier or well-balanced so that our skin can combat hazardous influence from outside environment on its own. We'd like to call them as forgotten organs or the third organ, as despite being invisible, their function and absolute necessity makes their importance compatible to our bone structure or internal organs. If you Google microbiome-related keywords, these are some of the top search results. The most of microbiome cosmetic products in the market uses probiotics or microflora that are known to be beneficial to human body, usually the gut. However, the correlations between probiotics or microflora and the skin benefit are not yet clinically proven. Existing products simply assume that something good for your stomach would be also beneficial for your skin when applied. So basically, they are cosmetic products made of ingredients that are beneficial to your gut, not to your skin. On the other hand, Cosmax research team has focused on the microbiome species that are physically present on the surface of the skin. What we discovered for the first time is that certain microorganisms, such as Streptococcus, that are more concentrated on the 20th healthy skin decreases as the skin ages. It means that the particular microorganism's distribution on the skin is closely related to the skin anti-aging. we isolated and raw materialized that particular microbiome species and patented it as strain CX. In short, Cosmax discovered the specific microbacteria that are directly related to skin anti-aging among many that reside in our skin surface. This is a world-first discovery of never-before known anti-aging mechanism. As proven via in vitro and human clinical tests, after treated with strain CX, significant biomarkers such as fibrillin, collagen, and elastin components, which are crucial for human skin composition, became more densely packed, resulting in rejuvenation of the skin condition. In addition, it was also confirmed that by using the product containing metabolites from live bacteria, which refers to strain CX, one can successfully create a similar effect on skin as if the live bacteria necessary for healthy skin composition were evenly distributed. We believe this provides a long-lasting, stable, but effective solution for anti-aging. Recently, the mentioned skin microbiome research work has been published in Nature Communications Biology. Its main thesis refers to skin microbiome named as strain CX and establishment of the interrelationship between skin microbiome and skin aging for the first time. I'd like to say that our approach for skin rejuvenation through strain CX took a different angle. Compared to traditional anti-aging cosmetic products using active synthetic molecules like retinol, the ingredient itself is the most skin familiar one, as the metabolite is isolated from the live bacteria from our own body. It could be said that strain CX is skin-derived, so to speak. Also, it directly gets involved with skin's bacterial ecosystem that has a symbiotic relationship inducing the change from within. There are no specific how to apply methods. You can apply it as you do for other skincare products. Recommended typical usage is twice a day. We believe the effect will be instant in terms of skin smoothing, resulting in more rejuvenated and healthier skin. Even though our products are skincare-based, we all know that base makeup products love healthier skin eventually. The benefit of skin microbiome products would also lead to fresher, long-lasting makeup. Our skin microbiome can be applied to all types of skincare formulations. In addition, we are trying to broaden the applicability of our skin microbiome to sunblock and makeup products as well, targeting end of 2021. Best fit would be the essence and toner type formulations for the practical and real skin efficacy. We already have several experiences of commercialization using this technology, and there hasn't been any noticeable issues in terms of logistics, storage, and general production. For maximum effects, we recommend to put more than 10% of microbiome ingredients instead of water to achieve immediate skin effects.